We begin this bulletin with the news of the 71st National Film Awards, which are set to be awarded. The function is already underway and the celebrities and the winners are on their way reaching the venue. As we all know, Shah Rukh Khan is being honored with the Best Actor award for his film Jawan. Also, today, the Dada Saheb Phalke Award will be given to the superstar of the South, Mohan Lal. And SRK will be sharing his award along with another actor, brilliant actor, Vikrant Massey, for his film 12th Fail. The same film, 12th Fail, has clinched the Best Feature Film Award as well, directed by Vidhu Vinod Chopra. So these visuals that you see on your screens right now are from Vigyan Bhavan, where the minister has now arrived, as you can see, and the function is set to start soon. And as the announcements are happening, the wait is for the president to arrive, as she is the one who will be handing out these awards. On your screens, you can also see Badshah Khan along with Rani Mukherjee as they arrived. And he greeting the other recipients who are seated along with him in the audience there.
Scale and incredible diversity.
फीचर फिल्म श्रेणी में 22 भाषाओं में 115 एंट्रीज प्राप्त हुई और शुभेंदु ये सभी फिल्में हमारे
सर बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको इस अवार्ड के लिए। दो बातें अगर आप कहना चाहेंगे तो।
नहीं, मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि जैसा मैंने फिल्म में कहा है 12 फिल्म में कि अंदर के अंधेरे से डरो, बाहर के अंधेरे से नहीं। आपको लाइन अगर वो याद हो तो कहता बाहर के अंधेरे का डर नहीं है, अंदर के अंधेरे का डर है, सुविधाओं के लालच में समझौतों का अंधेरा। बस इतना ही अगर मेरे थ्रू कुछ लोग सुन लें तो बस बहुत अच्छा लगेगा।
क्या आपको ऐसा भी लगता है कि मूवी का जो इम्प्लीकेशन है, जो बातें आप कहना चाहते हैं, लार्जर यूथ को समझ आ रही है? ऑडियंस से इतना बड़ा कनेक्ट रहा है फिल्म का।
देखिए, मेरा काम है कहना, समझना ना समझना वो उनकी प्रॉब्लम है।
सर, ये जो फिल्म है इसको बहुत ज़्यादा अप्रिशिएट किया गया है, लोगों ने फिल्म को बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया है, एक्टिंग के बारे में बहुत लोगों ने बात करी है। तो क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो जॉनर है और ये जो एक समझ है कि यूथ के साथ कैसे कनेक्ट करना है, इसके अंदर भी बहुत बदलाव आया है पिछले कुछ टाइम में? आप लोग भी बहुत ज़्यादा यूथ को समझें और यूथ भी आपकी फिल्मों को समझने लगा है?
देखिए, इस बात का जवाब जो मेरी वाइफ हैं अनुपमा चोपड़ा वो दे सकती हैं, क्योंकि मैं ये देखता ही नहीं कि बाहर क्या हो रहा है। मैं ना इंस्टाग्राम पे हूँ, ना सोशल नेटवर्क पे हूँ, ना क्या, आप मुझे कुछ पता नहीं बाहर क्या हो रहा है। मेरा काम ये है कि जो मैं सच समझता हूँ अपनी सच्चाई मैं बाहर लेके आऊँ। लोग समझें तो बहुत अच्छा, ना समझें तो और भी अच्छा।
So the recipients have gathered there and also the president has arrived and the ceremony is set to begin soon. This is a ceremony where the top awards, the nation's top awards for the film industry, entertainment industry, are given to the people who have made exceptional contribution to the industry. We take a look at the national awards list. We have, as you see on your screen, the man who has received the award for the Best Actor, Shah Rukh Khan. Joining us now from the venue is India Today's Aishwarya Paliwal. Aishwarya, all the recipients have reached there. The ceremony is about to begin. But excitement there amongst the top celebrities, top people of that industry?
Well, definitely, and this is SRK, the Badshah of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan's first national award. He's sharing it with Vikrant Massey. So obviously, everyone very, very keenly looking at that 12th Fail. Now, that's a film that actually has touched hearts. The larger message that the film was trying to make, that message very well received, and we are now also seeing how all those people at the moment are just waiting, and the award ceremony will begin in just a couple of hours. Now, these were the best films of 2023, and when the award was announced, 1st of August is when these awards were being announced. So there was the entire Bollywood industry was abuzz. We also saw how Shah Rukh Khan made that very sweet video and spoke about the fact that it was a tremendous journey making Jawan for him, and he also spoke about the fact that at the moment what the country needs is to make sure that they join in the kind of filmmaking that is happening. Also, we are now seeing how Bollywood, in fact, has become a big reflection of what we are seeing happening in the society, we are seeing happening on the streets. So all those things combined, we will now see the award ceremony begin in just a couple of minutes from now. The top stars have finally arrived in the national capital. We will see the ceremony beginning in just a couple of minutes from now.
Right, of course, and on our screens we can see Mohan Lal. We saw Shah Rukh Khan and Rani Mukherjee as well. Shah Rukh Khan, Rani Mukherjee and Vikrant Massey seated together, of course, because they are the ones who are getting the award for the best acting, one of the top, most prestigious awards. But do tell us about Mohan Lal as well, because, you know, getting the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, this was constituted somewhere in 1969. It is the top award for anyone in the film industry.
Well, definitely. You know, we have seen how Mohanlal over the past many decades actually has made sure that everything that is happening around us, all those things actually come on the screen. And there's a very famous saying that, you know, cinema actually is a reflection of the real life. What we see, the angry young man, you know, when we speak about Amitabh Bachchan, so those were the days when we could actually see the youth being out on the streets. And that is exactly what cinema also, you know, was focusing on and was telling us. Cinema was telling us that what is happening in India, how the society is changing. So all those things, that is something that we are seeing. And of late, we have also seen how a big connect has been made. People at the moment, very clear. The Bollywood also, all of them trying to catch the nubs of the people, trying to show the world what exactly India has to offer. And this is exactly what the government also has been speaking about. We have massive potential. Time and again, the government has spoken about it and also has been saying that we should now make sure that some of the best directors across the world should now be coming to India, should be celebrating what India is all about, and should also, you know, we should also make sure that India becomes the next hub. So that is also something that has been the focus of the government. And we are seeing that, you know, with these national awards, the stars finally, all of them moved from different parts of India now in the national capital at Vigyan Bhavan. In just a couple of minutes, we will see the ceremony beginning. From what I can understand and, you know, I can sense, we will have some of the loudest cheers coming in for Mohan Lal. We'll have some of the loudest cheer coming in for Vikrant Massey and for Shah Rukh Khan. Obviously, Shah Rukh Khan has spoken about his journey and also spoken about the fact that Jawan as a film, you know, was very close to his heart. And that's something that we will see Shah Rukh Khan, you know, speaking once again.
Right, of course. And probably a lot of cheer for Rani Mukherjee as well, because, you know, it was a film that portrayed a very soft side of a woman struggling with motherhood and trying to balance her life in a foreign country as well. And she did it quite well. And she's getting a national award there, sitting along with the two men who won the award for their acting in the male category. But on the screen, just before I speak to you once again, we saw again Mohan Lal and the other superstar, Shah Rukh Khan, and now Vikrant Massey on screens in the live visuals. We can see him. They're being mentioned here right now.
Rani Mukherjee ji winning her first national award for Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway. She brought alive the indomitable spirit of a mother and strength of a mother. एक माँ की ताकत दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी ताकत होती है. Her triumph tonight is the triumph of every mother who fights for her children. Even the awards themselves saw a first. Hanuman, recognized in the ABGC category, showing how India is ready to embrace the future of animation, gaming and visual storytelling.
So we were just dipping into that live ceremony that was happening, that is happening right now. And as the top actors were being mentioned over there. Coming back to you, Aishwarya, do tell us, you know, how these awards get distinguished from the industry awards that we usually see, that have the glitz, the glamour. But these are the awards that are the most prestigious. Why?
Exploring organ donation through the eyes of coordinators.
Well, national awards, obviously, you know, we are seeing how the government also is now making sure that those people, and we have seen how these awards, you know, it's not important that the most glamorous or the film that has made the most money, it's not about that, it's about the craft. And that is what, you know, we have seen how the government also has been speaking about over the past many years, that one now needs to make sure that Indian craft, you know, what we have to give to the world, all those things actually become a big focus point. So that's the reason why we are seeing the national awards, you know, being spoken about so so much, and especially for Shah Rukh Khan. He's called the Badshah, and now this is his first national award that he's getting. Now, national award, let me tell you, even for the film stars, from what I understand, they make sure that when they get a national award, that is placed on top of all the other trophies that they get, because this is purely about art, the connection that the film has made with the people, and also how, the films that actually win these awards, how they make sure that they string together everyone, the society, the government, all those people who work, and what they bring to the fore, the lasting impact. That's something that national awards actually are the focus of, and that's the reason why we are seeing so many diverse films over the past so many years getting these awards, and very offbeat films also. You would have seen over the past many years how many offbeat films also have been getting these awards. Also is a recognition that, even if we speak about the glamour quotient, and even if we speak about the kind of money that has been made, if that is not something that the film has done, but if we speak about the craft, if the craft is spot on, and that's something that the people have appreciated, then we have seen those kind of films and those kind of roles also getting the national award.
Right, absolutely. And this is not just for the actors, also for the directors and other members. There are even awards for best costume, which is, I think, going to Sam Bahadur, the team of Sam Bahadur. So it is quite important for all aspects of the industry, and the people who are getting that award today, as you rightly said, will be putting that on top of the pedestal and highest probably of all the awards. But how important is it for the other people as well, the directors, the technicians? Do tell us.
This is the magic of Indian cinema.
Well, if we speak about the costume, then it should be as close to reality as possible, and that is exactly what Sam Bahadur did. Now, if you remember in the film, at times people were actually those who knew Sam Bahadur, they actually were feeling that he's the one who's standing right in front of them. When we speak about the costumes, it actually felt that we were back in that era. So those are the kind of things that we are now seeing being brought to the fore. It's the craft, and especially those people who work so hard, because what we see, the actors, and we see other people also out there on the screen, but there are hundreds of people involved in each and every film, and they are the ones who also should be recognized. And that's the reason why we have a list, such a long list of the awards that will now be given. And also it's an appreciation, telling people that if you're very good at your craft, then your recognition will come. And this is exactly something that even Shah Rukh Khan in that video spoke about, that he's been doing films. And he also often says that, he does films because he loves films. He loves the craft. And this is something which some of the biggest people have been speaking about. Amitabh Bachchan also has been speaking about the fact that one of the reasons why, he enjoys being on the set is because he loves the craft. He loves the bringing together of people. And in cinema, we have seen how cinema actually becomes that glue through which we see the entire society coming together. When people are watching films, then there is no distinction. There are no barriers. Everyone watches the film together, and that's the reason why we are seeing this kind of appreciation being given, and the kind of films also that we see, the mass appeal that most of these films have, actually bind the nation together.
Absolutely. And what is interesting is that the two top actors of the Bollywood, the Hindi film industry, Shah Rukh Khan and Rani Mukherjee, are receiving their first maiden national award. So that is also quite interesting. And Dadasaheb Phalke award winner this time, Mohanlal, a superstar of the South, has actually been awarded the national award multiple times for his work.
It's the kind of work that, we have seen some of these people do, making sure that they bring the South industry also to the forefront. Because, there's a complaint of sorts which most of the people make, that the way that, India as a society, we all speak about Bollywood, that kind of appreciation, at least over the past few years, we have seen the South also getting, and we have seen some of the biggest blockbusters coming in from South. We've also seen how over the past few years, what has really increased is the fact that a lot of Hindi actors have now started working in the films that are being made in South, and a lot of South Indian actors can actually be seen in Bollywood movies. So there was a gap of sorts. That gap over the past many years has been bridged, also owing to the fact that we are now seeing how Southern directors also are very, very keen to make sure that they also come out with a mass film. So the distinction that we had, that gap is something that the industry is now trying to bridge. India is one. and that's the focus that we are seeing coming in, not just from Bollywood, but coming in even from South. We are now seeing that unity has become the focus point, the focal point, and most of the films that we are seeing over the past few years actually speak about what's happening in our country. We've also seen, being vocal for local. Now, that is something that the government used to speak about, and that is exactly what we are seeing in the films also over the past many years. Speaking about Indian culture, being proud about what India is, also flipping through history. We have seen so many historical films coming out, telling the youth what exactly India used to be, what India is at the moment. So all those things, bringing all those things alive on the screen, that's the appreciation that the national awards are all about.
Right, absolutely. And as you rightly pointed out, the lines between what is commercial, what is massy, and what is art are blurring now as more and more filmmakers are venturing into experimental aspects as well. And Aishwarya, you spoke with the film director of 12th Fail a little bit earlier. This film has clinched the Best Feature Film Award. Let's listen into that conversation.
Coastal communities in Odisha documenting their loss and resilience in the face of climate change.
दो बातें अगर आप कहना चाहेंगे तो
नहीं, मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि जैसा मैंने फिल्म में कहा है 12 फिल्म में कि अंदर के अंधेरे से डरो।
आपको समझ आ रही है, ऑडियंस से इतना बड़ा कनेक्ट रहा है फिल्म का? देखिए,
मेरा काम है कहना, समझना ना समझना वो उनकी प्रॉब्लम है। काम ये है कि जो मैं सच समझता हूँ अपनी सच्चाई में बाहर लेके आऊँ। लोग समझें तो बहुत अच्छा, ना समझें तो और भी अच्छा।
And on your screens, you can see the live visuals coming in from the ceremony of national awards as President Draupadi Murmu is handing out those awards to the recipients. And as we keenly await the top actors of the Hindi film industry and as well as Malayalam film industry also wait to receive their awards, that ceremony right now is underway. Shah Rukh Khan, Badshah Khan is there for the event. He will be receiving his first national award today. He has been praised for his journey in cinema. He has been praised for his acting prowess and a Delhi boy who's gone and made it big in Bollywood. He's sitting right there along with Rani Mukherjee and Vikrant Massey, the actor with whom he will be sharing that award, who is also winning that award for the Best Actor in Male category for the film 12th Fail, directed by Vidhu Vinod Chopra, who has won that award, who has won an award for that very film as the Best Feature Film. So, as the ceremony progresses, various stakeholders of the industry are being recognized, are being given that respect as you see on your screens. Not just the actors and not just the directors, the names that gather all the attention and the applause, but also the technicians and also people who create that art on screen, who are instrumental in bringing life onto the silver screen. People who create the costumes that make us believe that what's happening on the screens is almost reality. Even critics who analyze these films, they are also being awarded here.
With rhythmic elegance.
But as we see the president there awarding one by one people of the industry, not just the Hindi film industry, but the film industries of all the states have come here together. Joining us once again from the venue is Aishwarya Paliwal. Aishwarya, you know what is important for this ceremony is the fact that almost every state gets represented here. So when we talk about the Indian film industry, it is not just the Hindi film industry, but there are so many film industries that are creating art in their own right, and there are big faces, big names and artists who are representing their film industry here.
Well, we've seen the way artists portray life. Now they actually make sure that what's happening in the society comes alive on that screen. And there are so many films, so many films. When we speak about some of the first films that were made in India, they used to actually speak about the struggle that Indians went through. And then came the angry young man, Amitabh Bachchan. When he used to act, and he actually became an epitome, synonymous with what was happening in the society. And then we saw that whole romantic era. We saw the boom of sorts that was happening when Indians were moving abroad. A lot of people from abroad were coming to India. So those were the films, and those were the kind of relationships that were being explored. The whole Karan Johar era, glamorous films that were being done. And now we are seeing over the past few years how a subtle shift has come in Bollywood. We are also now seeing how they are making stories about the hinterlands, Uttar Pradesh, the state of Bihar, Jharkhand. What's happening in all those states. That's also something that is now being brought to the fore. And the most important thing that has now happened, there used to be a divide of sorts, a gap of sorts that we used to see. When we used to speak about the Indian film industry, most of the people actually used to think only about Bollywood, the big stars of Bollywood. Really, did we speak about the South? Really, did we speak about Tollywood? But now we are seeing all the people coming together. And the government also has been giving a big impetus on it, speaking about the fact that we are all united. What we need to do is to make sure that there is a collective consciousness of people. That collective consciousness is brought to the fore. And those are the kind of films that we are now seeing. But let me tell you, everyone is now waiting for Shah Rukh Khan to get the award, to share the award with Vikrant Vessi. Two very diverged films. Jawan on one side, 12th Fail on the other side. And we are now seeing how both these films have won the national award, speaking about the kind of creativity that we are seeing coming in from Bollywood.
Right, absolutely. Do stay on with us, Aishwarya. Joining us now is also Sana Farzeen from Mumbai. Sana, do tell us which are the big films from Bollywood, or rather the Hindi film industry, that are going to make a mark here, and also the big actors, filmmakers or technicians who will get recognition here today.
Absolutely, topping the list is Shah Rukh Khan. He's going to get his first national award, and the excitement that his fans are expressing on social media is absolutely of immense joy. His fandom has always been one of the greatest in the film industry, and they are all celebrating his big moment. He's going to get his award soon, and of course, Rani Mukherjee and Vikrant Massey will also be getting their first national award. Rani Mukherjee gave a powerful performance in Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway, an emotional story of a mother fighting the legal system for her children. And Vikrant Massey, on the other hand, played a real life character of IPS Manoj, and his performance has been lauded all across. His performance of a real life character was completely at par with the other top performers of the year, and Vikrant truly deserves this performance. His director Vidhu Vinod Chopra will also be getting the best Hindi film award, and then of course Ekta Kapoor and Guneet Monga will be sharing the stage to get the award for Kathal. It was a Netflix film that questioned the patriarchy of Indian society, and Karan Johar will also be getting his award from the president for Rocky or Rani Ki Prem Kahani. Is getting the award for the best film that provided a wholesome entertainment. And definitely, these are the top names in the national award list. And there's also a Gujarati cinema, Vash, that kind of created a lot of surprise for fans. The supporting actress from the film, Janki Bodiwala, will be getting an award. Her performance was immensely appreciated, and so much so that when the film was adapted in Hindi for Shaitan, Ajay Devgan decided to cast her for this performance. We can see Karan Johar, of course, Shah Rukh, Rani, Vikrant all sitting in the stadium and waiting for their turn to walk up to the stage and get the award. And Mohanlal, of course, we've been talking about him, one of the iconic figures of the Indian film industry. He's been working for 4 decades, has more than 350 films, someone who's kind of inspired generations after generations. He will be getting the highest honor for any cinema artist, the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. And these are some of the biggest names. And of course, social media has been a buzz with Shah Rukh Khan. That is one name that everyone is excited about. His performance in Jawan, playing different characters, kind of gave way for such a immensely appreciated film. And of course, box office wise, also he did so so well. So these definitely are the top names. Karan Johar is sitting in the stadium. He's also waiting for that list. Animal will also be getting an award for its music for the re-recorded bit. So we are also going to see a representation of that film on the stage this evening.
Right, absolutely. The list is quite exhaustive because we have all the Hindi films as well and regional films as well, and there is a best film of most of the film industries of our country that get represented here, but there is one film that gets the best award. So that, I believe, is 12th Fail, which tops the list.
Absolutely, 12th Fail is getting it. We have films from every language, and then of course there's this one film that gets the honor, and Vidhu Vinod Chopra is sitting there. He also spoke to India Today, and he is absolutely excited. This national award, as such, there's so many awards in the film industry, but something that is being celebrated by your people, by your government, is absolutely a special feeling. And to get that, I think every person who's working in the film industry, making films, this is the reason that to be celebrated by your own country, by your own people. And I think this is the reason when we see these actors coming together to get their national award, there is a different kind of excitement on their face. There is a different kind of happiness, and especially their fans, they are absolutely overjoyed by this because it's also once a year. There's so many films that the Indian film industry makes. We've been talking about it, how India makes 2,500 to 3,000 films every year, and to be one topping the list, I think that's one of the biggest feat that any artist can kind of gain in their lifetime. And especially the first timers, I mean, that's a different experience. They've all spoken about how when they do the rehearsal with the team, that's another different kind of an emotion. And then getting the award from the president, there's a different kind of patriotism and nationalism that kind of just comes in when they are getting this award for their hard work, for their work by their country, by their government. I think
Do we
it
have
cannot be
Aishwarya?
expressed in words, and we will never get to know what exactly do they feel.
Now, do stay on with us. And from the venue, we have Aishwarya Paliwal also with us. Aishwarya, you know, we did chat about the Hindi film industry with Sana, but do tell us that how do these films get selected? What is the process of getting that coveted award? How do these celebrities, these dignitaries finally make their way onto that dais?
Well, let me tell you, there are hundreds of films that are being screened, and some of the top people, not just from the industry but also from different areas, they all form a jury. It's the jury which then looks at all the films. The biggest thing that the jury looks at is what kind of impact the film has made, not just when we speak about the entire country but also in the particular region, which is why we are seeing how so many films that come from a particular region, they also are now being honored. So that's also something that is the focus point of the jury, making sure that what you bring to the fore and what are the kind of things that you are depicting and the kind of impact that your film has made. So that's the focus point of the jury. We all saw how Jawan actually spoke about so many issues, the acting of Shah Rukh Khan and what the film actually brought to the fore. The fact that they were able to capture what was happening across the country, that is something that was the focus point of Jawan. 12th Fail also. We have seen, you would also personally know so many people. I also personally know so many people. They have spent years wanting to crack that UPSC examination. What they go through, the struggles that they have, and what it actually means when you get through UPSC. So all those things, almost everyone knows someone or the other who at some point of time either had the idea or wanted to try, or has even tried or has tried and has actually become an officer. So that entire struggle, the entire journey, and what it means to be an officer in India. So those kind of things that have been depicted in the film. So that's the reason why we are seeing that these kind of films are the ones amongst hundreds of films that get this award. And let me tell you, it's the most important award of our country, the national award. That's the reason why.
Whether they do that or not, Sana, we saw that SRK was very actively putting it on his social media as well. When the news came out, he thanked all his fans and it was a big moment for him. How did he express his happiness at that point of time?
Absolutely, truly, it's a fact that they do keep it on their top shelf. It's actually quite visible when you enter their homes. It is in clear visual. It's a celebration of their work, and it's absolutely in clear visibility that everyone can see. And Shah Rukh Khan had actually posted a video thanking his fans in his clear wit during the launch of Bats of Bollywood when he had a fracture on his hand. He joked about it that एक हाथ ही काफी है award उठाने के लिए. So you can realize how special this is for him. And Shah Rukh in his video had spoken about how Jawan was such an important film, and given that this his 30 years of career in the film industry is not just his but his fans. I mean, I think he is the living example of how what stardom means to people. I mean, for a lot of generation, this is the first time that we are seeing actually a young actor being loved all across. He's a global star right now, and Shah Rukh in his video had thanked the government, thanked his people, thanked his country for giving him this career, for a 3 decade long career, and giving him such fabulous roles. Of course, a lot of fans felt that Shah Rukh should have won this award a long back. He's had performances in films like Swades and Chak De, but as it said, it's never the late. So definitely better late than never. And definitely Shah Rukh had thanked his fans for his love, because the kind of stardom that he's achieved, it's all thanks to his fans. It's all thanks to the SRKians, as they lovingly call themselves. And Shah Rukh made no bones in crediting them for his success. Rani also in her statement had thanked her fans for the love. And this performance, she mentioned how it was very close to her, because it talks about a mother fighting for her children. And given that she's also a real life mother, she has a daughter. Thus, this performance was all the more special for her. She was also playing a Bengali in Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway. Vikrant Massey, on the other hand, he has spoken about how a lot of times people kind of doubt your potential when you haven't done a big film. And he spoke about how Vidhu Vinod Chopra trusted him with this strong film. And it is absolutely a delight, because Vikrant has been doing a lot of supporting roles, a lot of parallel leads, but this was his film that brought him under the spotlight. This was the performance of a lifetime. He was getting to play a real life character, showing what it takes to be an IPS officer in this country, and fighting corruption and fighting poverty at different levels. And this is why I think when you work so hard for your work, and then to see yourself getting that award from the president is absolutely a special moment for them. You have a lot of awards throughout the year, and most of them are now taken as a commercial awards by these actors. But this is one award that actually celebrates not just that film, but
Right.
their whole lifetime, their whole hard work.
Right, absolutely. And this is the reason why it is so special to them. You do, both of you, stay on with us. We are quickly going to dip into a short break. We come back with more news and updates, especially on the national level.
Mrs. Chatterjee versus